Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a Google Task with Gemini Task Automation with AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Gemini, which is formerly barred by Google, now integrates with your Google Workspace, including Google Tasks, making task automation easy using AI. So now this is how I use it. So what we need to do is go to gemini.google.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Then from here, we can go ahead and ask Gemini to create a task for you using natural language. So for example, I can add a task here that says add a task to call the dentist tomorrow at 10. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. It's going to say just a second. And then it says I've added a task to call the dentist at 10 a.m. So if I go to task here, you can see that that's been placed or added to my task. Also, I can say something like remind me to submit the report by Friday evening. So just chuck that in like so. So now it's going to integrate Google Tasks. And then it says I've already set a remind you. Is there anything else I can help you with? Now, if Gemini can't access Google Tasks, make sure you sign into the correct account and extensions are enabled as well.